The ZNLWVA leader Joyce Mujuru, who was fired from ZANU-PF after some allegations, was at the court where Douglas Mahia was granted a $300 bail. War veteran herself had this to say after the court proceedings about the unfair treatment of war veterans in Harare.
It's just unfair. That's why you have heard, you have seen people, they are trying to show that the way things are going is not the correct way. And I think I've been talking about it, that we don't have to show any hard-handedness, but that people have to be giving each other time to discuss issues when people don't agree. You don't have to be, causing all sorts of hardships and complaints.
However, the crackdown on war veterans leaders continues after Matemadanda, who was at the court, was whisked away in a grey double twin cab by officer commanding from the CID Law and Order Division, plus armed police. ZNLWVA TV News.